Are you ready to see Jennifer Love Hewitt like never before? Watch as she comes to life through just a pencil and paper. Let's begin with my usual tool, the HP mechanical pencil. I start by building the Loomis head structure. A circle for the skull with construction lines to place the brow, nose, and chin. Carefully, I add the jawline and begin shaping the neck. At this stage, it's all about proportions and getting the face to feel balanced before moving into detail. Here, I'm using a charcoal eraser to gently lighten the sketch. This helps prepare the drawing for darker values without smudging. Now, I switch to the Staedtler 8B pencil. It's perfect for adding depth and contrast. I begin shading the eyes, adding shadows around the lids, darkening the pupils, and giving life to the expression. Then, I move to the nose and lips, using soft strokes to define the curves and keep the features realistic. I work in layers, gently building the tones on the cheek and jawline. I want the light and shadow to feel natural. Here, I'm using the Staedtler black pencil. It gives a much bolder effect. I use it to darken the eyebrows and eyelashes and enhance the deepest shadows in the hair. This step brings out the strong contrast that makes the portrait pop. Now, it's time for the white gel pen. I carefully apply it to the highlight areas, mainly on the eyes, nose tip, and lips. Just a few touches can lift the drawing and add that final spark of realism. I move back with the 8B pencil and refine the hair, giving it a soft texture with flowing strokes. I also go over the shading on the face to smooth transitions. This phase takes time. It's all about patience and control. I continue polishing the shadows and adjusting highlights where needed. Subtle adjustments around the chin, cheekbones, and eyes help bring everything together. The character is starting to feel alive now. With the main details done, I clean up around the portrait and gently erase extra guidelines. It's time to step back and look at the overall balance. And here she is, Jennifer Love Hewitt, captured with just pencil and parchment. If you enjoyed watching this transformation, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more. Leave a comment if you'd like to see another celebrity drawing next.